simple card trick. I'm not sure if I'm going to have enough room to do it. Okay, so you start off. Sorry, my throat is making really strange noises. Okay, so you start off with 2 cards, and let's have a look. Okay, 9 and 6. So what do 9 and 6 add up to? Obviously 15. So if I can do this, it's difficult from where I'm sitting. Put 1 in there. Okay. Watch this. See? Okay. So that's the trick. Very, very simple. Some of you guys may have already worked the trick out, but I'm going to show you how it's done now. 1 second, I just need to move into a better position. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very simple. You just basically use the other 2, 9 and 6, so the 6 of clubs and the 9 of spades. Okay, so I'll start off by putting the 6 of spades on the bottom of the pack, and then I will put the 9 of clubs on top of the pack, and then the other 2 cards on top. Okay, so what you do is you just literally say, you just briefly show the top cards and you say what do 9 and 6 add up to. Don't say what do the 9 of spades and 6 of clubs add up to. I've dropped the cards. I'm not very prepared today, so you literally just flash them and say what do 9 and 6 add up to, and obviously they'll say 15. Okay, and then you can put them anywhere in the pack, because you know that the floorboards are creaking. This video is a disaster. Sorry. Okay, so you know that the 9 and the 6 of spades, sorry, and the 9 of clubs is are now, one is on the bottom and the other is on the top. So you literally just hold the pack very loosely, but firmly, so loosely but firmly, and then you just throw the cards, but you just keep pressure on the bottom and the top one. So what actually happens is you are just catching the top and bottom card, but it looks quite cool if you do it fast. You just like that, and it looks like you've pulled them straight out of the pack, and then you're like, ta-da! And then people are like, wow, how did you do that? But some people, I don't actually have people work out how I did it. Very rarely people work it out, and they find it quite impressive, so I hope that video was a clear enough explanation. Sorry about the camera angles, I'm trying to work in close proximity to this little bench thing. Okay, so now I will leave you with the sounds of cards and the Rubik's Cube sounds. Thank you guys for watching. this, I'm just, aimlessly turning the cube. In case you wonder why I'm so